These are the low-rise elevators at Rivergate Plaza in Tampa, Florida. These serve floors 1 through 16. Interestingly enough, both the low-rise and the high-rise elevators, which go up to 31, serve both floors 15 and 16.
Floor 15.
Here's 16. Let's go 1. Here's your inspection certificate, which is partly covered. Here's your cab view. This building actually does have a 13th floor, by the way. We're stopping at 6, I think, or 5.
Floor 5, going down.
Going down.
Floor 3, going down.
Alright, we're here at 3. And also check this out. When you get to 1, you'll see that the door height is not the same, and so you get to see the airlock. Those are the high-rise elevators. There it goes, and that'll be it.